Hello friends, I'm gonna brief you about a very profitable application where you can place your bet and you can earn pocket money very easily. For this, first of all you need to register yourself on Fibo platform, then you can make profit. So click on register and new page will be open. So enter invitation or recommendation code, then set username, again mobile number, and you will get verification code on the same mobile number that you are required to enter in verification code column, and then create a strong password and then click on I agree button and then register. In such way you have to enter your all required detail and then click on register, and you will be registered on this platform. Now you will get to know how you can recharge on this platform, because this recharge will bring increase in the rate of your earning. So click on recharge option. You can top up on this platform from 200 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. Now click on next and then select payment channels. In order to top up with UPI ID, click on the first channel, and if you want to recharge with the debit card, then second option is recommended, and if you want to use the bank account number and IFSC code of this platform, then use the third channel. So now I will show you how you can recharge with UPI ID. So now you will see how you can recharge with UPI ID. So enter the recharge amount and enter the reference number. Then click on sure button, and here one more thing you have to notice. This account number is for one time use only. Don't pay on this account for the multiple time, or don't save this account for next use. Now copy the UPI account ID and paste into your payment gateway. And after successful completion of recharge, you are required to enter the 12-digit reference number in the third column, then only your recharge transaction will be successful. Once you have entered reference number after recharge, then click on the confirm reference number. So here in this way, open the Paytm app and then go to UPI money transfer option, and from there you copy the UPI ID of the platform and enter that here in Paytm. Then click on proceed button, and later on it will ask you to enter the recharge amount. Further click on proceed, and then you have to enter your transaction password that you have set in your payment gateway. So enter here that UPI pin, and once this recharge is successful, then you will get a 12-digit reference number. That transaction reference number you have to enter on there. Now click on bingo icon. Here you will get to know how you can bet on this platform and how you can make profit. Here different gameplay modes are available like green, violet and red. You can place your bet any one from that. Click on rule in above right corner to know the rules of this game. Different time periods are allocated to place your bet, like 3 minutes, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Scroll down the screen to see the previous game record, and from there you can predict the outcomes. You have to place your bet before the allocated countdown time is over. So now let's see how you can place your bet according to your principle. When you will spend 100 rupees to bet, and if you won the game, then you will get 98 rupees as reward. And when you will join green color, and if the result shows is 5, then you will get total 147 rupees. And if result shows 1379, then you will get total 98 rupees. And if you join the